In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import blog content to Squarespace. If you're moving your blog from another platform, this walkthrough will help you bring posts and media into your Squarespace site smoothly and with confidence. Start in your Squarespace site editor. Look to the bottom left corner and click the settings icon. This opens your site's controls. From there, head into website settings and find the import and export content area. This is the hub where Squarespace handles moving content in and out of your site. Choose Import to begin. You'll see options for common blogging platforms, including WordPress, Tumblr, and Blogger. Pick the one that matches where your content currently lives. For this demonstration, let's select WordPress so you can see how a typical import works from a widely used platform. You'll be prompted to enter your WordPress URL. Use your site's main address, including the HTTPS prefix if you use it. Avoid adding admin paths. Squarespace only needs the public site address to identify where your content is coming from. Next, Squarespace will ask for your login. Enter the username for an account on your original blog that has permission to read and export content, then enter your password. These credentials are only used to access your existing site so the importer can gather posts, categories, tags, images, and other supported items. Be sure you're using a secure connection and only provide details you control. When everything looks correct, click Import. Squarespace will start pulling in your content. The timing depends on how large your blog is and how quickly your original site responds. It's normal for this to take a few minutes for bigger libraries. If you step away, just let the process complete. Interrupting can cause partial imports that need to be retried. Once the import finishes, open your blog area in Squarespace to review what came over. You should see your posts, along with categories and tags where supported. Skim a few articles to confirm headings, images, and links look right. If you spot formatting differences, you can adjust them with Squarespace's editor. It's also a good idea to check a couple of links and images to ensure they're loading as expected. That's the full process. Open Settings, go to Import and Export, choose Import, select your original platform, provide the requested site details, and start the import. With a quick review afterward, your content will be ready to publish and refine within your Squarespace design.